everyone! So before I start this vlog of mine, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Carmela Trinidad from BSHM 1K. I'm going to explore some of the places here in my hometown. So let's go. Join. So now I am here in Santa Cruz, Giginto, Bulacan. The beautiful attraction here in Santa Cruz is their green nature. So let's explore. This is the symbol of being a Giginteño, a big ant. The big ant in front of Santa Cruz representing us people of being a hardworking for their works. Beautiful scenery, right? Yes, this is a green nature. It's so beautiful. Most of people here are selling their plants, flowers, or should I say their crops. There are so many gardens here.
조그만 날 그짓 널 향한 이끌림 나에게 따라오라 손짓한 것 같았어 애절한 눈빛과 무언의 이야기 가슴에 회오리가 몰아치던 그날
So again, hello guys! My next destination is in Poblacion, Giginto, Bulacan. It is near my barangay which is in Ilang-Ilang, Giginto, Bulacan. The San Ildefonso de Toledo Parish Church, commonly known as Giginto Church, is an 18th century Baroque church located along the MacArthur Highway, Barangay Poblacion, Giginto, Bulacan, Philippines. This is the sum of the statue of the church. Hello again and again, I am back. I'm here in Jima. This is GMAC. GMAC means Giginto Municipal Athletic and Cultural Center, which is this building held some of events in Giginto. Garden City of Bulacan is in Giginto, and the center of Halamanan is located at Santa Cruz, Giginto, Bulacan. Mr. Ambrosio Boy Cruz, our mayor, said that basta magaling sa Giginto nanggaling, and I am proud of being in Giginto, my hometown. I tell you something guys, so did you know that this landscape is worth $1 million? Yes, you heard me right, this is $1 million. So that means Giginto is one of the richest town in Bulacan.
You don't love me good, eh? Artificial love.
Which is Estación de Giginto, also known as Giginto Train Station. This place is one of the historical places here in Giginto. So you can find it in Cruz, Giginto, Bulacan.
깊어진 하루 틈 사이 너는 조용히 다가와 어둠을 걷어내고 나의 잠을 깨워 그리고 널
Thank you for watching my vlog. So I hope you enjoy while watching. So see you when I see you. Thank you. Bye!